Hello everybody and welcome to Sprinkle Time. In this episode, we will be decorating these Seaside Treasures and we will be trying out some watercolor for the first time, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. We're gonna need some colors and then some sprinkles. Nothing in there. Oh, what is this? Garbage? We have to keep our garbage out of the sea. Alright, so we're gonna need our magic wand. There we go. Sprinkles. More garbage. Let's keep our oceans clean, guys. Let's reuse this bag to carry some sprinkles. Some colorful sanding sugar. Some pearls. And some pearl dusts. And finally, our cookie shapes. We have a lot of them. Can you guess what they are? I thought this was the perfect occasion to try out some watercolor. Alright, let's dive right into it. No pun intended. And it's flood time. We'll start by outlining and flooding all of our seashells so we can later try some watercolor. Sit back and enjoy the sound of the ocean. Here we have some cornstarch. I dip this toothpick in the cornstarch and I press it down on the seashell to leave an indentation. We'll do the same thing with this cookie as well to make the shell look realistic. The cornstarch allows the cookie to dry with that pleated pattern. While the seashells are drying, let's decorate some other seaside treasures. This one is a piece of coral. Here we have a starfish. This one is a sea urchin. Don't touch it, it's dangerous. Some seaweed. This one is a sand dollar. A cute little crab. You may also find a coconut laying by the beach. And finally, our watercolor. I mixed the colors separately. This color is like a yellowy orange. And let's paint on this seashell. Grab a little paintbrush. Let's paint on some lines and then blend it with our brush. To mix the colors, I just use water and food coloring. There we go, perfect and delicious. Here I mixed a reddish purple, but it kind of came out more like a pinkish purple, so I just went with it. I'm using a fan brush here, and I'm just making some gentle brush strokes on the sides, and I kind of blend it towards the middle. Let's just add some sanding sugar to the border of the opening of the seashell, and we'll fill in the middle so we can stick on some sprinkles. Voila, gorgeous. Here I mixed a grayish purpley blue. I gently dab it on, and then I add some color in the crevices just to give it some more definition. And I'll dip the opening of the seashell into some sprinkles. How pretty. Here I mixed a bluish green. And I'm just going to paint along the crevices. We'll use the fan brush to go and spread that out. And I'll deepen the crevices with some more watercolor. And I'll dip the opening of the seashell into the sprinkles. Ta-da! Now for the rest of the seashells, let's use some pearl dusts. Let's start with this cute little seashell. We'll add some pink in the middle, and we'll just blend it outwards. And now we'll add some white pearl to make it super, super sparkly. And here is the pearl. I love it. Next, we'll do the big conch shell. So the outside of the conch shell has a lot of texture to it, so I added some icing and I'm just going to dab it on there. And we'll use some pink dust to add some shimmer and color to the inside of the shell. And just the white one here. On the outside just to make it sparkly. Beautiful! I love it. And here are the rest of them all together. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like this video, please subscribe, comment, let me know which part was your favorite, and I will see you next time.